5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All system activate.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Beautifully Chronically Ill, and we're gonna do an unboxing makeup brush set that I received from EIGSHOW Cosmetic Brushes. So yeah, a little back information about this brand. EIGSHOW is a cruelty-free, natural, everything high quality brushes. When I tell you, I was not expecting this brush kit to be, packaged the way it is. I'm telling you, girl or guy or they, when I tell you the packaging, I'm a sucker for packaging. This packaging, like, what they sent me was amazing. Like, they sent me this beautiful, even though it's like it's a box, right? With this box, they sent me this beautiful bag with the brushes inside and this beautiful brush egg. And with this, like, in this bag, there were so many brushes. I think there were 14 brushes. I do have a code for them. I will link it down below. I will link down their website. And let's get to the brushes, because when I tell you, these brushes are so beautiful and I can't wait to play with them. So let's get to it. First of all, this bag. Let me tell you, this bag, I don't know if you can see it, but this bag reminds me of, like, the old Chanel pattern bags. But look at this. Like, it is so, like, soft and everything. I think this is called the rose gold set. So let's get to it. I have the brushes laid out here because I was not trying to go through like one through one. So I also like the fact that they wrapped this in plastic and they wrapped the bristles in plastic. This is the large powder brush, and they also have the code for each brush on the end of it, and the name, and of course their name, the company's name. And what I also like of the fact is they have, like, F for face, E for eye, and L for lip. But when I tell you, these brushes are so gorgeous. I'm gonna take this out so you can see how gorgeous this is. Do you see how gorgeous this is? I actually how I found this brush, this makeup brush company, was I started following them on Instagram, and I saw them on TikTok. And when they said, hey, when they announced that they were doing an affiliate program, I signed up. And they actually contacted me. It was like, oh, we want to send you some brushes so you could do a video, So I was like, sure, And they sent me this all free. They even shipped it for free. And when they came in, I'm like, I could not get over how beautiful their packaging is. Like, I'm so flabbergasted when it comes to this, like the packaging. I'm like, oh my god, you know. And then their quality of brushes, and they're like cruelty free, and you know, and their brushes are like, you can tell that their brushes are weighted, like, you know, not weighted as in like a bad thing, but like you can tell by the weight of their brushes that they're, you know, good, that they're not gonna, you know, with one wash they're gonna, you know, the paint is gonna come off and stuff. But like you can tell, like, and this set that they sent me came with 14 brushes, and they came with different eye brushes, face brushes, lip brushes, and let me find the eyeshadow brush. Look how awesome this brush looks. And like, I cannot wait to, sorry if you hear plastic ASMR. Look at all these brushes, like they're so pretty. And what I also like, the fact that they did, you know, they gave me this, they gave me this, but they also gave me a satin bag to like put my brushes in and with their makeup. I cannot wait to play with these. My next video will be a makeup video using these brushes. I haven't decided what I'm gonna do yet, but I'm gonna maybe, ooh, maybe a Christmas type thing, since Christmas is coming up. So yeah, I can't wait to play with these. I really can't. So also on the website they do have like cleaning instructions, like how to clean them, you know, because a lot of people, especially like new to makeup, they don't know how to clean their brushes, they don't know how to, you know what to use and stuff like that, which you know, when I was started, I was like, what am I supposed to use on my face? Like, I mean, my brushes, like but also I like the fact that they are cruelty free, and you know, they care about what goes into their brush, because a lot of people like myself have very sensitive skin, and again, you're putting this on your face, so that's what I like about it. I can't wait to play with these. Most likely I will probably do this video probably tomorrow or the next day. Before this week is over, I will do a video. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click that little bell notification so you can know every time I post. But I want to give a big thank you for EIGSHOW Makeup Brushes for sending me this beautiful set of brushes, and I can't wait to play with these. So again, keep watch. I will try to post more consistently, but please be in mind, you know, we're all going through COVID, and I also am a chronically ill patient, so please keep that in mind. But I thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.